انت مرة تانية
من أول example ده. Okay. Approximate the following to the nearest 100,000. So we have to locate the digit which represent the 100,000. Here we have unit, tenths, hundred, and this is thousand, 10,000, and the 4 is the digit in 100,000. So we circle the number 4 and underline the following digit, which is 5. All the following digit is turned into zeros, and this underlined digit is 5. It is a strong number, so it's gonna increase this 4 by 1. So after 4, we're gonna put 5. So our answer will be 500,000. The next example, here is the unit, tenths, 100,000, 10,000, and this is the digit which represents the 100,000. So we circle it and underline the following digit. All the following digit gonna turn it into zeros, so we're gonna put all the digit as zeros. And look to the circle digit. The following number is 9. It is a strong number, so it increases this 9 by 1. So after 9, we have to put 10. So this answer is gonna be 1 million. The following example, we have unit, tenths, 100,000, 10,000, and this is the digit that represent the 100,000. So we circle it and underline the next digit. So all the following digit is gonna turn it into zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This 5, which is underlined, is a strong number, so it's gonna increase 6, and it's gonna be 7. So our answer is 700,000. Let's take another kind of examples. Here, we want to complete. These numbers are approximated, and we want to figure out what is the numbers that they approximated to. So we have 345, and it is approximately equal 350. So what should I approximate 345 to, or what is the digit that this number 345 is approximated to? So we will notice we here have a 3, and the other side we have also 3. So 3, it doesn't change it. But here we have 4, and this 4 is turned into 5. Why 4 is turned into 5? Because the following number 5 has helped this 4 and increases it by 1. So this 4 is turned into 5. So now, which digit we approximated to? This digit is considered as the 10 digit. So we approximate 345 to the nearest 10 to be 350. Okay, let's notice. The first digit here is 8, and the first digit here is 9. So this 8 is gonna turn it into 9. So this digit is changed. This digit is increased by 1. Why 8 is increased into 9? Because the following digit, which is 7, and 7 is a strong number, it increases this 8 by 1. So we said after 8, 9, and we put the following digit at zeros. So here we approximate to the nearest. Here is the unit, tenth, 100. So we approximate to the nearest 100. The following number, the first digit is 2, and the first digit after the approximation also is 2, and this one, I noticed that it is changed into 0. Why 1 is turned into 0? Why 1 can be cancelled and put it as a 0? Because this one wants to help the number 2 to be bigger, but 1 is a smaller or a weak number, so it doesn't help 2 to become bigger. So 2 still as it is 2. And all the following numbers are turned into zeros. So we was trying to approximate the number 2, and this 2 is in the 1000 digits. So here is we approximate to the nearest 1000. The next number, we have 6, and after approximation it's still 6. We have 2, and after approximation it's still 2. We have 0, and after approximation it is still 0. And this one is turned into 0. So this one is trying to help the previous digit, which is 0, but 1 is a small number or a weak number, so it doesn't help the 0 and it is turned into 0. So here we approximate to the nearest 10. Now we're gonna take example number B and example number C and example number D in page 39. We want to find the sum of these two numbers, and after getting the sum, we want to approximate the answer into the nearest hundred. So first we write the first number here. We have 36,523, and the following number is also 36,582, and we're gonna make addition and circle addition just to memorize that you are adding. Here we have 3 plus 2 equal 5, and 2 plus 8 equal 10, so we put 0 and carry up 1. 5 and 5 is 10, and after 10 we have 11, so we put 1 and carry up 1. 1 and 6 is 7, 7 and 6 is 13, so we put 3 and carry up 1. 1 and 3 is 4, 4 and 3 is 7. So our answer is 73,105, so we're gonna put our answer here, 73,105. So now we have to approximate this result to the nearest hundred, and the hundred digit here is the number 1, so we circle the number 1 and underline the following digit. So as we know that all the following digits are turned into 0, so we're gonna turn these two digits into zeros. And the underlying digit is 0, so it's a weak number, it's not gonna help the 1, so 1 will still as it is, and before 1 we have 3 and 7, so the answer is 73,100. The next one, we want to divide 43,267 divided by 10, and after division we approximate it to the nearest hundred. So first let's divide this number. As we mentioned before, that by division we just move the decimal point according to the number of zeros. So now we have only 1 0, so we're just gonna pass one number and put the decimal point. So the answer will be 4,326.7. After getting the answer, we want to approximate it to the nearest hundred. So here is the unit, here is the 10, and here is the digit which represent the hundred, and we underline the following digit. As you know, we turn all the following digits into zeros, and we're gonna look, this 2 is a weak number or a smaller number, so it's not gonna increase the number 3, so 3 is still as it is, and we have the digit 4, so the answer is B, 4,300. I cancelled the point 0 because point and 0 has no meaning. The next one, we want to find the result of this subtraction, and after finding the result we approximate it to the nearest hundred. I'm gonna write 9,656, and the other number is 3,665, and we are making subtraction. So we have 6 minus 5 equal 1. We have 5 minus 6 can't be, so we're gonna borrow, this number becomes 5, and this 5 becomes 15. So we're gonna count after 6 up to 15, so the answer will be 9. 5 minus 6 can't be, so we're gonna borrow, this number gonna be 8, and this number is 15. 15 minus 6, the answer will also be 9. 8 minus 3, the answer will be 5. So our answer is 5,991. We want to approximate to the nearest hundred, so we have to circle the digit which represents the hundred, which is 9, and underline the following digit. So all the following digits will be turned into zeros, and we're gonna see, is this 9 gonna be increased or is still as it is? We here have 9, and it is a strong number, so this 9 is increased by 1. So after 9 we have 10, we put 0 and carry up 1. 1 and 5 we have 6, so our answer is 6,000. So don't forget your homework. Your homework will be in page 37. We solved this row, so your homework is gonna be this row. and also your homework in page 38. We solve this row, so your homework is gonna be this row. So your homework is page 37 and 38, and the rest of page 39.